fly, girl, you oh so fly. Oh my God, girl, you blow my mind. Oh so fly, girl, you oh so fly. Shh. Missy. Radio play me all the time. Write my own rhymes and I swear I'm fine. This flow here from 83. From A to Z, you can't with me. Me and Timberland, man, now we damn. Remember when Light was in love with Sam? I used to be in love with this guy named Sam, but to me, oh my God, she was one in a million. I came through cause I rock the show. Whack MCs get kicked in the throat. Keep on sleeping cause you think I'm a joke.
Let it bump.
I'm Missy.
Let it bump.
I'm Missy.
Let it bump.
I'm Missy. I'm Missy on the microphone. I'm Missy.
Let it bump.
I'm Missy.
Let it bump.
I'm Missy. I'm Missy on the microphone.
Shawty, what?
The dance that you're doing is dumb. How they do where you from? Sticking out your tongue, girl, but you know you're too young. A bunch of girls doing it, it's really fun. That's how they do where we from. You know it don't start till one. That's how they do it where they from. I'm like, make a new track, make them fall on they crack. Give them a slap appetizer and stack them so fat in the back, make the boys all collapse. Yeah, when I rap, that be all on my jack. Boys wanna tap on this, got a new idea, let me switch it. Man, I'm so futuristic. Big lips and big hips. Body be thick like a biscuit. I'm different, ripping, microphone gripping it. Getting these Benjamins, new car whipping it. I'm so far ahead of y'all. Man, I'm on top of the stars. I don't care none of your all. Blah, 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 blah. You best to go rewrite your balls. How they do where you from? How they do where you from? That's how they do where we from. That's how they do where they from.
Shawty, what?
How they do where you from? How they do where you from? That's how they do where we from. That's how they do where they from.
Surprise! Coetanul al iubirii concert, surprise TLK, Каликина Лапса. Сюрприз, поскольку юбилейный концерт, я думаю, сейчас это самое тут время. Дипломы онлайн международного конкурса, проходящего в Риге, мы уже Европа Стейдж знаем, и вы получили третье место, конкурируя Красноярск, Москва, Санкт-Петербург, Париж, там Литва. Вы понимаете? И наши ребята, студия Joy, город Ага. Коль Восток, Европа Стейдж, музыка, заряжай!
On öelda, et just selle tantsuga meie lapsed võitsid suurt rasket Dance International Dance Contest.